Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in this Veda series. So today we are going to discuss about the second module in this Veda, and okay, for that let me open the site first. So I'm going to Veda-org and here is it. Okay, let me open the documentation. Then yeah, let's go to print variables in Veda and data types. Okay, this is what we are going to work today. So actually, see, working with variables in Veda. So let's open this and see the variable declaration in Veda programmers, and this is how it is supposed to be declared, and the syntax is reference variable should be equal to the value. And examples, so here are some of the examples. So age should be declared like this and name should be declared like this. Basically what I am trying to say is the age is an integer and this is its syntax, and the name is a string, so it has to be a character or a string has to be enclosed in between two quotes. Okay, and the left hand side, see, these are normal programming rules. The left hand side is variable and the right hand side is value. And okay, so the basic primitive data types that we have in Veda is string, an integer, float, along with list and map. Okay, these are the primitive data types that we already have in Veda. Okay, so let me code it. So let me open the Visual Studio Code. So here is a small trick that you can use. Actually you can go to any file structure and you have to hit on CMD here, and yeah, so this window pops up and you have to hit on code space dot and then enter, and let me keep this side by side so that you can see it parallelly. Okay, I'll zoom it a bit. Okay, so let us create another file as class 2 .ved class _2, and yeah, okay, so let us read the rules first. See the rules, you can go through rules and just follow them to be safe. Okay, first let us create a number. Number equals to, let us say 987, and let us print the number. Okay, let me run this code. To run this code we have to use the syntax Veda and class _2 .ved, and nothing happened. Class _2. I think I'm not supposed to use underscore here, or okay, let me change the name. Okay, I've changed the file name and I've saved it again. And yeah, it worked. So you're not supposed to use underscores in the class name. So yeah, you have to make mistakes and you have to learn from your mistakes. And how am I supposed to know that whether this is a number or not? So for that we have a built-in function as type. So let us do one thing. Let us name this variable as type of number, and let us use the function type, and let us pass in the variable. Okay, then what we can do is print type of number. And yeah, it is showing me that it is an integer. Yeah, 987 is an integer, because our interpreter is so clever that it assumes the value itself. And let us create a name this time. And 1 second, see, a string or a character has to be enclosed in between two single quotes. So that's how a string will be declared. So yeah, here is my name, and how am I supposed to know the type of this? Type _ type of name equals to let us use the function type and pass in the name, and let me print type of name. So it should return a string. Yeah, this is a string, obviously, because it's a string. And I'll show you the problem what happens if you do not declare a value in double quotes. So name underscore 2, and if you directly give this and name, if you're going to print this, you will be you'll end up with an error. See, syntax declaration error for the identifier name2. Name2 is a variable which is being assigned with another variable, so the interpreter assumes the right hand side value to be a variable. Okay, so to avoid this, you have to use the double quotes, or you can even pass the values. So name, now see, the name2 is updated with the name, and the name is Rohit. Okay, so you can actually what is this, passing the reference variable. So you can actually do it in Veda. And what happens if you do like this, and I'm going to print name. See, the variable name will be updated. Okay, as this is an interpreted language, if you do it, the variable name will be updated. Okay, and let us test it for a string. Oh, sorry, for a float value. GPA equal not PGPA, cgpa equal to 9.87. Let us print this cgpa and type type equals to type of cgpa, and you have to print type. So let us test this now. Okay, see, this is a floating point. Cool. Along this, we even have list and map as a primitive data type in Veda. So let us see how it is going to work. List equals to open and close square brackets, and we have to use this type of list, and type of the object, print type of list. See, this is a list. And what about map? Map equals to map, then print type of map equals to type of map variable. I'll clear the screen and run the program again. See, this is the type of map. So these are the types which are primitive in Veda programming language. And let me open the documentation. Yeah, here are the rules that you can go through and see. Even swapping is possible. Okay, that is carrying the passing the variables. Yeah, so this is it for today, and I hope you really like this video. So please do share, like and comment, and I'll be making more such videos related to Veda programming language. And yeah, see you next time.